Hello guys, it's 4th of March today, and today video's topic is constructor in Java. So basically, the constructor is a block of code which is similar to our method, but without having a return type. Method has a return type, and constructor will not have any return type. After that, we can also say the constructor is a special type of method that used to create or initialize our object. The main purpose of constructor is to initialize our object, and when we use creating or object of the class using a new keyword, then every time one constructor is called. And there are two types of constructor, which is a no argument constructor, which is also called as a default constructor, and another one which is a parameterized constructor. In the default constructor, when we don't declare any constructor in our class, then compiler are already declare one constructor for this class. So it is not necessary to declare a constructor in our class, because the compiler has already implement that one constructor in our every classes. After that, we can say the non parameterized constructor, which is when we pass a parameter or some arguments in the parenthesis of that constructor. When we create an object of that particular classes, then we can say it is a parameterized constructor. The benefits of parameterized constructor is to we use in the variety of constructor, because when we create an constructor of the class, which is assume that we have the student class, and if we create a object of that class which is a student s1 equals to new student, and another one class which we have a teacher class, which have the we want to create a new, and after that we have already the student class, then we also the created at the same name. After that, the student class we can get access for the constructor when we pass a parameters in that. When we have the same name of class and but different parameters in that, then we also called this using a parameterized constructor. Then after that, if we follow or taking the position of that or execution scenario in that parent or child constructor. So basically, when we create a constructor of object of that child class using new keyword, then we have to declare first child class, and after that we declare the parent class. But in that execution scenario, there is a change in that process, because firstly when we created the child class, but in that execution period, the parent class or constructor it is implemented first. So these are the steps, and after that there are some rules to declare a constructor in our program. These rules are such as our constructor is exactly matched with our class name. That should be we can say that it is a fully qualified name. And after that, we can say the constructor which not have a return type, and after that constructor cannot be static, final, or we can say it is synchronized. It is not allowed to use before the constructor name. These are the rules for the implementation constructor. We create a constructor for making our program easy, and it reusability. It is purpose of reusability, and it reduce our code reusability. It means we don't need to code in after if we have to create another class for the same data or properties in that behaviors in the present in that class, then we have to just call that constructor of that class. Then we can access all these properties in our new classes. So these are the benefits of constructor. That's all about the constructor. Thank you.